So, getting started on the painting here. It's got a nice laminate top on it now, which I screwed down. Just to stop it moving. So far, so good. So what? So for now, that's the first coat done. I'll paint the underside of the ramp. When this dries, I'll stand it up against the wall and I'll paint the underside of that. What I'm going to do here, I have some rubber here that I'm going to cut and glue in here and also here where it sits on the floor, and need to find some sort of a strip to put across here just to take the mean look off it. And as I said, that's the first coat complete. It's very hard to paint this timber. It's like it's rough. it's not planed, you know. So I did hit it with the DA sander when I filled it, so all the filling done. I have some strips here. This stuff, it's aluminium or aluminum or aluminium, depending on where you are. And we're going to cut that, and that's going to just run down and around, just to take the mean look off it as well. So not bad. Good bit of time gone into it, but who cares? Looks well. Once it gets the second coat of paint now, it'll come up like this. There's 2 coats on that, and it's smooth and shiny. First coat just kind of primes it. So I used to put primer on before I do the red when I was doing some of the stuff out there, but I got better results just putting a real heavy coat of the red on first. Like the legs there, have those done. They have 2 coats on them, and you see they're smooth and they're shiny. So this will be the same. The first coat just kind of soaks into it and gets real matte looking. So a few little bits showing through there now on that leg or on that spar. So what we'll do is we'll just tip them up, fill them with paint. This brush is absolute garbage. No good at all. The paint I use is this stuff. Santex 10-year exterior gloss. Will go on wood or metal, and it's exterior rated, so, and it's pillar box red. I just like the red. I think it looks well. So you don't have to paint it. You could have left it, but it's just me being me. So that's pretty much it finished now. We'll just get another coat, so there's no point to me showing you that. It's just going to be the same thing over again. So that's how I made, in my mind, the best homemade bike table on YouTube. And it's really solid. It costs feck all, only time. A nice laminate top on it. It's just laminate flooring. It's all screwed down, so it can't buckle or move. So they're just drywall screws. So quite pleased with that, and maybe it might give you the inspiration to build something for your own workshop to put your bike up on. It's total overkill in terms of how it's put together and what it's made from. Like they're 9x2s, the side spars. You'd probably get away with 3x2s. The legs are 5x2s. You'd get away with 3x2 there as well. It's just I had this stuff left over after doing the roof on this place, so I bought a box of screws. That cost me €9. The tin of paint there, because I ran out of the red, I had to buy more. That cost me €22. And the laminate flooring, got that for free, as I done a job for a person and they had some left over, so they let me take it away. I put down a floor for them, and my brother-in-law actually, so thanks Mark if you're watching. I was thinking about putting laminate on the ramp, but I don't think I'll bother. I'll leave it as is. The ramp is just 3/4 inch plywood, and I varnished it. I gave it a couple of coats of varnish just to seal it. That came out of the recycling centre. And yeah, so as I said, we'll put the rubber on when that dries, and we paint the bottom of it. We'll get some sort of a strip across the front here, and that's it, done. So I hope you enjoyed the few videos, and as I said, it give you a few ideas of something to do for yourself. So take care. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.